I've got another great property to show you today. We are in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. We're at 978 Glenrock. This is I think there's 45 or 54 units in this complex. They're all freestanding like this one, and they're great. It is pollen season though. We do get pollen in Lake Tahoe with all these beautiful pine trees we have. So pollen season here should last another week or so. It should be gone. This is the beginning of July. I'm wearing my 4th of July shirt. I'm ready to go. But number 41, Glenrock. Now there's a town on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe called Glenbrook. And I did a video earlier, I called it Glenrock because of this. I had some friends live here anyway. This complex is nice. They've got a swimming pool. They're all freestanding use. I don't believe they allow short-term rentals though. But the other day, somebody was asking me, Tony, what can you get in Incline Village for under $1 million that's freestanding? And this is one of the units. So this is listed for $995,000. So I think it's awesome. For under $1 million, you get this freestanding unit, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1440 square feet, built in 1972, and the taxes are just over $2,000 a year. So let's go check this out. So one of the fun things about this house is called a split level. So when you come in this landing, you can go downstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms, a bath, and a laundry room, or you can go upstairs, you've got the great room and the primary bedroom suite. Before we go any further, let me introduce myself. I'm Tuoto, the managing broker for EXP Luxury Real Estate. Incline Village on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, where we don't have personal income tax or state income tax. It's a great place to live. You can save a lot of money if you're making money and you're wealthy. So everybody loves the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and that's why my channel is living in Tahoe. So let's check out this condo. It's a great room feel. I like that. It makes it feel bigger. We've got a gas fireplace over here to make it nice and cozy in the wintertime. They've got beautiful couches set up. I love the loose picture. And then they have this little kitchen that they've redone very nicely. They did a fun job of refurbishing the kitchen. Beautiful granite counters with the pendants. There used to be cabinets here and block the whole room off and everything. They open it up, makes it look a lot better. Everything here is really close. It's a nice, comfortable kitchen. It's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 1,440 square feet. So you're not gonna have a ton of people here. So this is a good, comfortable sized kitchen for this size unit. They've got updated appliances here. Very well done. You'd be very comfortable in this kitchen. What I really like about this is they've got this big slider over here that makes the room feel a lot bigger. If you close this blind, the room can feel smaller. So this just opens it all up and it's giant. I love it. A great deck overlooking the other units in the complex. It's great. These big, comfortable couches. I could be really comfortable in this place. So right off the great room kitchen area, we've got a bathroom here that doubles as the bathroom for the primary bedroom. So a very clever design and good use of space. I've got, again, a nice granite and a sink, beautiful little mirror. I've got a tub and shower in there, a toilet, and then your primary bedroom right here. A good sized bedroom. You got your window for light, closet over there, everything you need to be comfortable. So when you come downstairs, you've got 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and then your laundry closet here. So you've got a stackable washer and dryer here, which is really convenient, so you don't have to go somewhere to get your laundry done. Your water heater is in this closet right here, which is easy to get to. You've got a linen closet here, so you can store all your sheets and everything right here. And then your forced air unit gas to heat the house is right here. Well, let's check out these bathrooms. Did I say bathrooms? I meant bedrooms, but I'm gonna start in the bathrooms. There's 1 bathroom downstairs. This is it. They did a lovely job refurbishing it. Love the tile, the stripe up there. It's really good size. Again, the same granite as the rest of the place. Beautiful, cute little appointments. They did a really job here. So let's go check out the big bedroom. So this is a massive bedroom. Some people use this as a living room or living room / office, whatever. But in here, they've got, looks like a double bed and a single bed. You've got double closets in here. And then you've got your own door to go outside, so it's really great. I've seen some people put a little fence back there, so if they've got a dog, they can go out there and go to the bathroom, and you have to get up and let them out all the time. So really good sized bedroom for this size unit. So this is the third bedroom, and it's a really good sized bedroom. They've got a lot of furniture in here, and you still got plenty of room for the end tables and such. So third bedroom on this 3-bedroom townhome. So Glenrock has a nice big deck. This is facing mostly south, so you get some good sunshine here. Like I said, you're overlooking the other units. They've got a swimming pool in this complex, which I think is really nice. And the location of this complex is right in the heart of Incline Village. The championship golf course goes right over here. I've lost so many balls in that creek over there because you've got a tee box and it's like 156 yards to make to the green, and there's this big creek right in front of it. I always seem to hit the creek. Not always, but too many times I've hit that creek. Anyway, a nice location right in the heart of Incline Village. Incline Village is awesome. We've got the 3 private beaches for the residents and their guests. We've got the ski resort, the recreation center, the 2 lovely golf courses, tennis complex, pickleball complex. So much to have a great lifestyle here in Tahoe. I love Incline Village. It's one of my favorite places. It is summer in Incline Village. As you can see, the pollen, which, like I said, probably gonna last another week or so, they'll be gone. But no better place to be in Lake Tahoe in the world than in Lake Tahoe in the summertime. My name is Tony Tuoto. I'm the managing broker for eXp Luxury Real Estate, Nevada Broker Sales with license number 144620. And if you're thinking about making the move to beautiful Nevada side of Lake Tahoe where you can enjoy great weather, it's summertime in Tahoe right now. It's perfect. Nothing better. No better place to be in the world than right here on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe in the summertime. So if you're thinking about making the move in 6 days, 6 weeks, 6 months, or even 16 months, reach out to me, shoot me an email, send me a text, or give me a phone call, and I'll make sure you move to Lake Tahoe, Nevada. It's the best real estate experience you ever had.